Hello and welcome everyone to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts using different things. So at first we are making a hot air balloon with some paper. It was so easy to make. And next we will make some flowers with the texture, and it was so creative. And at last we'll make the vase. Next again we are cutting a red paper into strawberry shape and we'll paste it to the yellow paper. And now we will use a green paper to make the leafy part of the strawberry. Next, of course, we will add the texture and the face. Again here we are using a yellow paper. We have cutted it and made a circular shape, you can see. And now after pasting it on the base, we will make the upper part of the pineapple. We have pasted the upper part and your pineapple is ready. Next again we will use a paper cup to make a handshake. It was so easy to make. Again we are using some bottle caps to make a craft. We have pasted it on a paper and we have made a caterpillar from it. You can see we have made the sun also. Next again we are using some red papers and we are cutting it into a heart shape. And after cutting it, we will paste it to the base, and at last we'll make the leaf part. And again we are using the white paper to make a swan from it. We'll make the face and then the legs, and your swan is ready now. Now again we are using a white paper. We have cut it to circular shape and folded it, and at last we have stapled it with each other. I guess we are making a flower from it, and yes, we have made a flower. You can see how beautiful the flowers are looking. Next we'll paste it on a base, and you can see it is looking like a crown. Again we are using the paper cup to make it a flower. We have made the flower and we'll add the face, and we'll also make the stem and the leaves. Again we are using a compass to make a circular shape, and after cutting it we'll make a bird from it. You can see we are adding the legs, and at last we'll make the eyes, and the birds are ready. Next again we are using a lavender paper and we are cutting it into different shapes, and we have made a flower from it, and we'll make some more of it and we'll paste it with each other, and your beautiful flowers are ready. Here we are using a green paper to make the leaves, and after making the leaves we'll make the stem, and we will use a yellow paper to make a flower. You can see how beautifully we have made the flower. It was very creative. Next again we are using a paper to make some fishes. We have made the fish with the paper. You can see how beautiful it is looking, and at last we'll make the eyes of the fish. Thank you very much for watching the video.